Video number 2 on our 57 T-Bird. You can see that I've got the original owner's manual. Obviously, I mean, this is all documentation, registrations, and invoices for work that was done on the car. There was some paint and body work done back in 1967 in Indianapolis. I've got a bunch of pictures of when I guess the car was being restored previously. And let's take a look at the trunk. Spare tire, jack. I love the tweed. And we have a car cover on their side of the trunk. And let's take a look in here. Obviously the interior of this has been restored. I pull this up and I've got my black convertible top. I'll be honest, I don't know the condition of that. I have not taken the hard top off. But just what I'd call an honest car. You can see we do have the power seats, power windows. I'll start it up in just a second and we'll see how those work. But there's video 2, one more when I get inside the car.